Welcome friends to the JI Station channel. Today we are going to learn how to stack multiple satellite images into a one single raster layer. So as you can see in my project window of QGIS, I have 10 multiple satellite bands of Sentinel-2 satellite data, and we are going to merge all the 10 single bands into a single merged layer, which will have all the properties of the single 10 bands of Sentinel-2 satellite data. We are using the merge option, which is inbuilt option of QGIS. You don't require any additional plugin or additional software. By using the merge option, we are going to merge the single bands. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back you all again. uh, so first of all, we are going to delete all the added data in our layer window, and we are going to add the satellite data of Sentinel-2 satellite. So for that you have to go to the add raster layer option, or you can go to layer, from here add layer, and you can select add raster layer from here, or you can press Ctrl Shift or R for add any raster data. And from here select click over the three dots over here for browse the satellite data. Okay, I have the Sentinel-2 satellite data, and I am going to select all 10 bands which I have clipped previously, and I'm going to select all the 10 bands of Sentinel-2 satellite and click on open. It's depend, you can select you can merge any satellite data. It may Sentinel-2 satellite, it may Landsat 8 satellite. It depends on your satellite data. And click add over here, and as you can see all the bands are added in your layer window. I'm going to collapse all of them, and from here you have to go to the raster option and then miscellaneous, and then you have to go to the merge option from here. By clicking the merge option, a merge dialog box will appear, and under the input layer option you have to click this three dots over here and select the layers which you have added in your layer window. I'm going to select one by one, or you can select the you can click the select all option from here, and as you can see all the layers are selected. Don't click run over here, just click OK. And this is a very important option. You have to check this place each input file into a separate band. You have to check this box, else you will not find the separate bands. You will not find these bands in the band composition option. And now give the output location, your desired output location, or for the time being we are going to leave this output location option so that it will create a temporary layer. And now click on the run option. It will take some time, and you will get the merged satellite data merged layer, and it will have all the properties of the 10 single bands. So our process is completed, and we received the merged layer. I'm going to place it to the top of this layer panel, and we are going to deselect all the layers except the merged layer. We are going to hide all the deselected layers by clicking over the view window eye icon and select the hide deselected layer. It will deselect all the it will hide all the deselected layers. And as you can see, we have received our merged layer. You can manage your band composition, and it will see it's working very fine. As you can see, we are merged successfully our satellite data, and all the properties are available in this merged layer. So it's a very easy process. you can apply this method any of in any type of any type of bands, any type of satellite data. It may Sentinel-2 satellite, Sentinel-3 satellite, it may Cartosat satellite data, it may the Landsat satellite data, Landsat 7, 8, any type of satellite bands you're supposed to merge by the merge option in QGIS. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and also comment. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.